So welcome back, students. So in that one we have a question that is x over 1 plus x squared dx. So we want to find this integral form. So first we just modify the equations, that is 1 over, this is integral, and we have 1 plus x squared, and we write this x here. Okay, why we write it, you understand it in the further steps. So now in the next one we substitute, that is u equals to 1 plus x squared. Okay, now when we take the derivative of u, so this one is constant, that's why its derivative is 0, and x squared, that is 2x, and we have the dx. Okay, now we have the 2x dx, that is equals to, when we take it the derivative, so we get 1 over 2, and we have du, that is equals to x and dx. Okay, now so when we substitute, the first we write the integral, then we write the numerator, that is 1 plus x squared, that is equals to u, and this x, that is we write 1 over 2, and we write the du. Okay, now in the next step we have okay, this is u, not the 4. Okay, it's look like 4, that's why I got it. So we write 1 over 2, and then we have the 1 over u and du. Okay, now then we have the whole term, that is 1 over 2. Then we have, when we take the integral of this one, so we have ln, and we have the u. Okay, now the 1 over 2 ln, and this u, inside of this u, so we write the 1 plus x square. Okay, so we write 1 plus x square plus c. So basically this is the answer. Okay, so I hope you understand it well. If you have any queries, so you will ask me in the comment section. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I will meet you into the next lesson. Goodbye, take care.